Howdy folks, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I've had a nap and I'm ready to make our next block, which is block 20, the split 9 patch. So I'll bring you down to the table and show you what we're working with. For the split 9 patch we're going to use fabric B9 and B6 and then our background fabrics. I bet you can probably look at our squares now and figure out what we're doing with them. We have our 4 at a time method, our 2 at a time method, and then we have 3 that are standalone. Whoops. Yeah. So let's get started. We'll start with our 2 at a time. Our 4 at a time. Then we'll go to our 2 at a time, and you guessed it, we draw a line and sew on to either side of the line for this one. Where did my pen go? Well, I guess we'll use a pencil. And then on this one we sew around the outside edge. Back so soon, I forgot to tell you something. The reason I remembered is because it's sitting on my ironing board. I'm going to be doing a quilt that if you follow Leanna at the Pastry Queen Farm Adventures, she has been working on this. I'm going to be doing the not the exact same quilt, the same pattern, but in a different method. You can do three different methods. She's doing one of the 3 and I'm going to be doing another of the 3. And I'm doing mine in patriotic colors for a quilt of valor. This is the pattern, and this is the version I'm doing. The book is called 10-inch Square Quilt Block Book, and the cake cutter ruler is for layer cakes. Let's see if I can find something to put behind that so you can see it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got a lot of different measurements on it, and it's also got so you can cut triangles. Um, and it's just a nice ruler to have. And I ordered it quite some time ago, but I haven't got around to using it yet. But I'm getting ready to probably start on it tomorrow because I'll be caught up with Sherry, and I don't want to go past her. So this will be coming up in the very near future. We're all pressed and trimmed. So now we're going to refer to our pattern and get the block set up. Our pattern has a diagonal again of solids, like that. And then this one goes this way. This one goes this way. This one goes this way. And this one goes this way. This one goes this way. This one goes this way. It kind of makes like a bow tie there, two bow ties. So there's another pattern called a split 9 patch that looks nothing like this, so this is interesting to me. So we'll get busy and sew these together. And there you have it. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.